Honorable Minister for IT&C, Dr. Ponala Lakshmaya Garu, respected Principal Secretary, I&C Department, Sanjay Jaja Garu, Secretary, IT&C, officials, captains of industry, friends, members of the press. It gives me very great happiness today. Some work for about what has been going on for 2-3 months comes to a culmination. Much of it will be explained by our Honorable Minister. She has been leading us into carrying out a number of very positive steps in the industry. And I hope that today's step also meets what Madam requires for us to transform this industry department to make it very investor friendly, very welcoming, not only for outside industries which want to come to Andhra Pradesh, but also for the industries which are already located here. There are certain problems which we are struggling hard to overcome, but there are many other things which will facilitate entrepreneurial activity, which will give a fillip to our industrial activity and encourage them to keep striving and going forward even in difficult times. I think bringing the incentive system online is one such small step. I would just like to take 1 minute here to explain what is the significance. Mostly what happens, Madam, is that industries right now, and from time to time in different times also, come across a cycle where their finances are little constrained, perhaps because of market, because of production losses, because of power, etc. and all that. In such times, a letter of comfort, a sanction from the industry department saying that you are entitled to this 10 lakh rupees, you are entitled to this 2 crore rupees, is actually a very big comfort in their hands, because banks are right now enforcing all these closures and non-performing asset declarations in a rather mechanical way. So in this context, industries often face difficulties in liaising with the district officials and then the central office officials and all that, making multiple trips, giving proofs of various documents, going through rounds and rounds of queries, and the delay in sanction often hurts them quite badly. With this launching of the Me Seva initiative, today they can go to a number of centers, sir. Fortunately for us, the IT department has created this wonderful platform. I think as we go forward, we'll be utilizing this platform more and more. When they go across to different centers and pretty seamlessly, pretty much without any, further trips, you will be able to get one of the very, very important services that the industries department gives. So I'll not take much time, but I'd like to just conclude with expressing my heartfelt thanks for all the cooperation given to us from the IT&C department, ma'am. And I hope that it is taken forward very successfully. Thank you.